What if I told you that you can create a professional website in less than 5 minutes without coding, without hiring a developer, and without spending money? In this video, I will show you how to use a simple AI tool to generate an entire website while using free stock images from Pinterest to make it look professional. Now let's get started. Whether you are a student, whether you're a freelancer, whether you're a business owner, whether you're a content creator, whether you are someone looking to make money building websites for clients, this AI tool can actually create stunning websites in minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional website ready to publish. Now, the first thing we need is some high quality images, and which I am going to guide you in this video. Right? Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is come over to your browser and search for Pinterest. Pinterest is a platform where you get tons of free stock images, right? So as you can see, a lot of images that you can make use of right here. But that's not what we're here for. Now we want to build a website, and what we're going to do, we'll come over here to search for football. So as you can see, these are tons of football images that you make use of. But we need to, let's pick this one, because what we are after is we want to build a website for this current football World Cup, right? So I'm going to come over and download this image and save it to my device. Don't worry, just watch closely and see what I'm going to do. And please make sure you are following this thing step by step, because if you miss any part, you might miss a lot. Right, so the next thing I'm going to do is we already have gotten our images, so we'll go to ChatGPT, open ChatGPT, and come over and upload the image. Right, so I'm going to come over and upload the image. Because it's might have copyright, so I need to rebrand it, that is, change everything. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to make the image aspect ratio 16:9, right, and also to remove everything except the crop, right? So I'm going to come over and send it right away. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us the result. So you can see it's different from the original image, right? Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to regenerate the image and then to flip and do, like, we're just trying to make the image very unique and different from the initial one. So now this image is ready. Now let's ask for another image. I asked him to give me another stunning image. As you can see, we have two now. So now we are going to select any one. Let's try to select one. So let me download this first one and make use of this one. I think this one is okay. You can try more images and use as you want, anyone you want to do, right? Now that's that. Now the next thing we're going to do is we want to animate this image, right? So what we're going to do next is we are going to come to our lab, which is, we all know, Google Flow, right? So once you come to your Google Flow, you are going to come over to open a new tab. So I'm going to use two platforms to animate this video so that we can pick among which one is the best to use. I'm going to tell you the reason why we are creating this video, that is, we want to animate this image. So you just stick around to the end of this video. When I get to the aspect of the part of me creating the website, you are going to understand the reason why we are animating this video. So don't skip any part, don't jump any part, just watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can get the best part of it. Right, so what I'm going to do is just to come over and click on new project. Once I come over and click on new project, let's wait for it to load. And as you all know, there is now a new agent where we can just chat with. So now I'm going to set this to 16:9 aspect ratio and make sure it is OmniFlash, because OmniFlash just consumes like 15 credits per generation, right? So now I'm going to come over and save it. Now, after saving this, I'm going to go back and come over and upload the image. That is the image generated from ChatGPT. So let's come over and upload it. So once I upload it, I think this is the picture right here. Alright, so let me open it and upload it, right? So after uploading it, then I'm going to give it the instruction of what to do, right? So I can just decide to tell you that just let's wait for it to upload successfully so that we can see, we'll see what's next, right? So after the image has been uploaded successfully, we need to animate the image, right? We need to animate it so that we can go straight to create our video and our website, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to tell it to generate a video for the like everything. So I'll make sure I set everything I need to set, right? And make sure you add it to prompt so that it will give you what you want, right? So I've set everything to 16:9 aspect ratio. I'm just coming over to reconfirm our output layout. So if you're having this error issue, let's just go straight to the second tool. I'll still come back again to try the Google Flow out, but let's go to this tool called Google Vids, right? Let's try Google Vids again and let's see which one give us the best output, because it seems like Google Flow is giving us error. So let me come over and open my Google Vids. So once you come to Google Vids, you come over and search for where you see this view aspect. Then you come over and click on this ingredient, that is you want to upload the image, the reference image, right? So let me come over and upload the image right here. So the same image you upload on Google Play, the same image we are going to upload here. So let me come over and make sure it is set to landscape. Then I'm going to put the prompt of what I want it to do for me, right? So once I am done putting the prompt and everything, all I'm just going to do is just to hit the word generate, right? So I paste everything, generate the video like that. Then as you can see, I have to just pause it to make it very fast, not to waste much of your time. So I'm going to come over and let me just come over and click on the video and insert it to this scene builder right here, so I can download it, right? So let's wait and see that. Let me come over and click on it, alright? So I click on insert, then I can you just come over to this. The next thing you're going to do, you want to download, you come to this file aspect and you are going to see where to download it, right? So click on download it as mp3.4, right? So after downloading that, let's come over to our Google Flow again and retry again. Let's see if it's going to give us what we want now. So I have to close the Google Flow and reopen it to see what's going to happen this time around. So I'll come over again and upload the image reference. After uploading the image reference, then I'm going to prompt it to what I want it to do. So after prompting it, I'll just go ahead and click on generate. So make sure, don't forget to always set your aspect ratio. So it's very, very important, important, right? So let's set that right here and make sure it is set to Omni Flash, because to save more of our credit, right? So that is done. I'll just click on save. Then I'll just come over and paste in the prompt for the image, right, for the video. So now the next thing I'm going to do is, let's hold on and do that right away and click on generate. So now once you are done doing that, let's wait for the output. Let's wait for the output and see. So it's asking if it should proceed with the generation. I say yes, it should proceed. Then as you can see, in few seconds our video will be made ready. So as you notice, I'm not pausing most of this part so that you will not miss any part, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to download this video, right? So I'll download it and then show you the next step. Please pay attention to this video and don't skip any part, because it's very, very important. You skipping any part will make you to lose a lot. As you can see now, we have this video right here. Let's look the one of Google Vids and see which one is the best and which one can we make use of. Let's look at this output. Let me play it and see which one is the best. So they both are very beautiful, both are very beautiful, so we can make use of any one. Now the next thing we're going to do now is we need to embed this video, and the website we're going to do because we need the link. We cannot upload the video directly to where we're going to generate the website. What we need to do is we need to go and embed this video where we generate the link to the video. That's why I'm making use of this tool, Cloudinary. It's totally free. All you just need to do is open it and click on sign up for free. So once you click on sign up for free, you can come over and sign up with your email, with your Gmail, any email of your choice, right? So as you can see, I've signed up already. All this thing is free, right? Everything I'm showing here is totally free. So you just come over here and click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to browse and check the video that you just download from. So as you can see, I've uploaded it already. Now the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, if you click on that video part, you are going to see something like link, right? Copy URL. So once you click on that copy URL, you can see from the original and then the optimized version. You can just come over and copy the optimized URL version, right? So now we have gotten what we need. Now this is where everything is now getting interesting. this is the best part where we're creating our website. Now, the next tab, you go open Google AI Studio. So when you open Google AI Studio, trust me, this everything I'm showing you here is totally free. Trust me. Now open your Google AI Studio. If you have the Pro version, it's a plus for you, right? So now I've opened my Google AI Pro version, and you can see, make sure that you come to this advanced setting and make sure you set it to default Gemini 3.5 preview Pro. Like that's a Pro preview. Just make sure you set it that way. Now, once you are done with that, I've already copied that link, remember. Now, I'm going to paste a link. I'm going to paste something here, which the prompt to use, which is, you can see, I want to create a website of football news. Use this video in the background. Keep it looping and mute audio, and like that. You understand? And look at the link right here. I've pasted everything there. So now, once you are done with that, and you make sure that everything is there, you come over and click on this. If there's anything needed to edit, you are going to edit it, and you see the output, right? Now I'm going to come over and click on build now, right? So I'm going to click on build. So as I click on build, in few minutes, like it's not even up to 5 minutes, our website will fully be ready. Now let's look at the amazing work this thing is going to do for us. Wow, this is super amazing. As you can see, look at it. And guess what? It's going to give us almost like 5 different layouts, 5 different websites. So it's now your choice to choose among which one is best for you, right? So me, I'm going to choose anyone. So let me come over and choose anyone. So as you can see, let me go up right here. Let's see which one is the best version. We're just using anyone based on, this is just tutorial sake. So when you are doing your own, make sure you choose the one that is best suits you, like that, right? So as you can see, this is the one I choose. Now let me preview it. Let me enlarge it. Let me make it full screen. Wow, this is super amazing. Like, you can imagine how this AI tool just do this in less than 2 to 5 minutes, right? Now this is super amazing. Now that's not just the end. The website is not yet live, right? The website is not yet live. I'm going to show you what to do next. Now what you're going to do next is, after now that you have gotten this, maybe you want to do some editing, and I say please align the FIFA World Cup image to the right. I just have to make some little changes, right? So look at the preview now. It makes it more professional, right? Now it looks so professional. So now the next thing I'm going to do, now this is the phone version. Like, look at it. This is mobile version, and as you can see, this is super amazing. Let's check the tab version. Like, tell me what more do you need? You don't need to hire any web developer to do this for you anymore. And I'm going to show you how to make money from this as well, right? So now the next thing I'm going to do is, let's come over and preview the code. Let's check the code used in generating this website, right? So as you can see, this is the code used in generating this website. Now the next thing I'm going to do is come over to this export part. Once you come to the export part, you're going to see where to download this code. We need to download this code and take it to the next website where we're going to make this live, right? So as you can see, it has been downloaded. The zip file has been downloaded. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to open a new tab. This is the final step. Please watch carefully and don't make mistake in this part. This is the most important part. Now you come to this tool called Netlify, right? So it's also free. Trust me, it's also free. So now Netlify is a platform where you push all your ideas into web. All you need to do is bring your codes, and it's going to generate it and turn it to live. It's going to publish it live for you. So come over and sign up with Google, any one of your choice. Sign up. So once you sign up, you are going to fill in some information. Once you fill in all the information, it requests from you to fill. Then you are good to go. Trust me, totally. So it's telling me nice to meet you. Let's get acquainted. So my name, my last name, everything. I need to put it right there. How you plan to use, I say, for work and everything like that. Intermediate. So let me just name that's David Creative Lab, right? As you all know, that's my name. Then I'll come over here. What kind of project? Let me just say web app. And then this other part, let me come over and say maybe senior web developer, right? So we're just try to fill this part so that you can get started, right? So once you just do it, come over and click on continue to deploy. So now as you can see, it's fully ready. Now the next thing you're going to do now, you come to this upload section, this below right here. You click on that right there to upload the downloaded zip file, the code file. So once it is downloaded, you are going to wait and see the magic, what it's going to do for us, right? So as you can see, it's deploying the log, and you can see everything is doing everything. As you can see, all is completed, and our website will soon be ready in few seconds, right? Now the next thing you're going to do is come over and click on this open production deploy, and you can see now it has referred us to a link. As you can see, this is the link, but I'm not well okay with the link given to us. So the beautiful part is that you can edit it, right? So look at it, just look at the interface. This is super amazing. Now our website is live now. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over to back to there and click on, you just come up and look for, let's come over and look at the project overview and click on this quick setup. So once you click on this quick setup, you can now claim this and put the name you want. So let me come over and copy the name of this website is Goal Zone. So I'm going to come over and click on Goal Zone. Okay, it's not accepting Goal Zone. Let me add one. Okay, now as you can see, update project name. Now let me go to that site and update it and refresh it, I mean. So as you can see, let me try to refresh it. You see what it's telling me? Let's see what it says, site not found. That's because we have changed the name, right? So now let me come over and copy this. Let me come over later, and then let me just come over and copy the link right here. Let me open it in a new tab. As you can see, you can open this website in your tab, and you are going to see the site is now available. It is live for anybody to view, right? So if there's anything you want to edit, just go back to your Gemini, go and edit everything and keep making it live. And that is how to create your website. It's very simple and very easy. I'm very sure this content has helped you one way or the other. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to sell this website and make more money from it. Bye. See you in my next video.